Hi everyone. Today's our topic is enhanced link messaging component. This is the second video of messaging component series. If you did not watch previous video, you can find the link in description. Also, for giving the demo of enhanced link messaging component, we will use messaging for in-app and web channel. So for that one also you can find the entire playlist in description. So in this video, we will cover below points like what is enhanced link messaging component, MC means messaging component, which all channel supports enhanced link, what all formats is supported by enhanced link, can we use enhanced link from bot, how to send dynamic enhanced link from agent, and how to send dynamic enhanced link from bot. Okay, so in details we will learn about enhanced link. So let's start. But first, I want to introduce myself. I am Sunil Sharma, Salesforce certified developer. Okay. So, bro, what is this enhanced linked messaging component? Enhanced link is a web page link. Enhanced link is nothing, just a web page link that includes a image and some custom link text. They are ideal for sharing frequently visited web page, such as the home page of your website or support page of your website or any privacy policy of your company. Okay, so very frequently used web pages uh, we can use with the help of enhanced link messaging component. Bro, which channel supports enhanced link? Okay, so this is the list. Messaging for in-app, messaging for web. Both are supporting enhanced link. Apart from that, enhanced Facebook Messenger. In Facebook Messenger, there are two types of uh, channel. One is standard, second is enhanced. So only enhanced Facebook Messenger is supporting. Similarly, enhanced Apple Message for business supporting. Bring your own channel. Bring your own channel for cars. So these are the channel. Those are supporting enhanced channel messaging component. So, bro, which format is supported by channel? So, messaging for in-app and web is supporting rich link and text, rich link and text. But enhanced WhatsApp is supporting only text, a plain text. But enhanced Facebook Messenger is supporting media and text. Media is nothing, image and text. And here you can see other channel like enhanced SMS, enhanced Apple message for business. These are supporting rich link and text. Now let's start. So, so first we will create an enhanced link messaging component. So go to setup, search messaging. Here you can see messaging Here you can see messaging components. Click on new component. I'm selecting. Don't show me this again. Okay. Here we have different options. We will select enhanced link. Here it is asking whatever the enhanced link you want to show. So what will be the title of that enhanced link? So I am giving Google. Okay. This time I will use Facebook. I will search Facebook. and Facebook link I have to provide here. After that, it is asking image. So image is mandatory. So I will search Facebook image on Google. So I will download. Now I will upload that image. Upload image. All only JPG, PNG, GIF file is supported. So I will download any other image. Now I will upload. So image is uploaded successfully. Click on next. Here we have to provide what will be the name of this messaging component. Okay. So I am giving enhanced link YouTube demo. Okay. You can provide any description. Click on done. Okay. So successfully we have stored. Now here we have an option called add format. By default format is text, just a plain text. But we want to add format. So here we are getting two options. First option is rich link and second is media. So rich link is supported by, here you can see, messaging for in-app and web, and Apple message for business, and some custom messaging channel. Okay. Media is supported by only Facebook Messenger and some custom. But in our case, we have to select this one because we are using messaging for in-app and web. If you are providing media also, it will not create any issue. But automatically, so suppose if you are selecting media and you are using messaging for in-app, then nothing will happen. Automatically, it will check the supported format. So if you have only two format, text and media, and media is high priority, text is low priority. Media is not supported by messaging for in-app, and automatically it will switch to text. Click on which text. Here it is asking like the if you have any link, then in link you have two things. First is link text. Second is the URL of link. So here it is asking that text you want to provide any text, or while creating the while creating this messaging component, you have provided some text, so that you want to use. If that you want to use, then you can go for this title. In constant already is created. Here you can see we have provided URL, we have provided title, and we have provided image. So whatever we have provided while creating the messaging component, all are stored as part of constant. So you can use these or you can provide your own. So I'm using that. Here it is asking image configuration. So I'm not providing any image configuration. Okay, here it is asking URL. So currently I will provide hard coded URL. So uh, in URL configuration, we have also same options: literal, constant, or parameters. Okay, so we can go for literal and we can provide the URL here. First option. Second option is we can use our constant, and constant we can select the URL. Whatever URL we have configured while creating the component, we can use. Okay, so I am using constant. Currently, if you are selecting parameters, then nothing will happen. Here you can see there is no parameter. If you are going in parameters, there is no parameters. Okay, so parameters we will learn in details. So I'm selecting constant and provide the URL. Here you can see once I have selected constant.url, here it is showing Facebook and here it is showing the facebook.com. Okay, we will search image configuration also. We will take from constant only. Image. This is our entire rich link. Okay, click on save. We are ready to use this messaging component. Okay, so I will change my omni channel status to available. This is my old request. So I will close. I we will initiate new. So on my external site github.io, I have already hosted my site. I have hosted my chat. So I will initiate. I have accepted my chat. Here we are ready. And here you can see we are receiving the message. Now here you can see one option we have messaging component. Okay, click on that. Here you can see we have different all the categories like by default is all means all type of messaging component is it will show whatever messaging component is available. Otherwise you can filter. In case suppose you have multiple messaging component, then you can filter. So I have selected my messaging component which I want to send to my customer. Here it is showing me something this Facebook image, Facebook, and this is some URL. This is the so till now we have seen the basic functionality of enhanced link messaging component. Oh, so, bro, how to send dynamic URL using enhanced link by agent? So, bro, it is supported, but we have to use screen flow if you want to send dynamic. So, suppose uh, our requirement is that we have multiple, like 3 or 4 very frequently visited URLs like our site homepage, support page, or any privacy policy link, or any terms and conditions link. So those are used very frequently. First option is, if you want to use enhanced linked messaging component, then you can create multiple messaging component for each URL. That is one option. But that is suitable only for two or three. You have 10, 20, 30, then it is not suitable. Okay. So we can do one thing. Instead of creating multiple messaging component, we can create a single messaging component. But dynamically we can pass the value and we can use. Okay. So I will go to parameters. Okay. Create the parameters. Okay. So go to parameters, click on new parameter. Okay. So we are expecting dynamic. Okay. So I want to create two variables. One for our link text, and second is for link. We can create multiple also, like for image also, but in this case I will not use image. Okay. So I am giving link text, text. From here we have to select the type as a text. We can mark like it is required, this parameter value is required or not. If we can select the required, then if you are using this messaging component, you have to provide that value. I am marking optional. Second, I am creating link URL. Parameters is nothing, just a URL. Sorry, variables. You have to select, make sure you are selecting URL only. Suppose you are expecting image also, then you can provide any any name like link image, and here you have to select image ID. Make sure you are selecting image ID only. Okay. When you are providing the value, then you can provide the content version ID to get the image. But I will not use image. I don't have. Okay. So I have created my two variables. Okay. So those two variables I want to use. So I will use here. I will go to parameters, and link text is my parameter name. I will not use image. So I will remove image. I will go to URLs, parameters, and link URL. Here you can see dynamically it will perform. Okay. Here it is showing parameters dot link text, parameters dot link URL. Okay. Now click on save. So our messaging component is ready to take the dynamic value. We have created the variable, and those variables we have used. Okay. Now as a agent, you are providing the option to agent. Okay. So click on new flow. You want to provide the option to agent, so that agent can uh, use this messaging component, and internally it is managed by code that which URL we have to send. We will create screen flow. Click on new, create a new screen. Okay. So in screen, I want to provide some option to agent that which type of uh, means just some radio button I want to show that select which URL you want to send. Facebook URL you want to send, or Google URL you want to send, or LinkedIn URL you want to send. So I will create my first screen. In that, I am just adding something called choice. Sorry, not choice lookup, radio only. I am creating radio buttons. I will drag and drop. Okay. So this screen name is type link type. Just I'm giving this name link type. You can provide any name. Okay. Now we have to provide the radio buttons screen. Why? Radio buttons. So label I am giving uh, uh, uh what's name missing here? Links. Links. Okay. Here data type is text. Let user select multiple options. We don't want to select multiple options. So we have selected no messaging component. You can show in the form of radio button, or you can show in the pick list. I want to show radio button. Okay. Here I want to add choice. So create new choice. Click on choice. And I want to give Facebook. Here I will provide the label. This is the API name, and here I want to provide what will be the label. So that is also Facebook. Above name we can change. We can use Facebook or Facebook API includes. We when we are selecting this value, because Facebook is just a label, but behind the scene what will be the value? We are giving Facebook only, and click done. Here you can see when we are selecting this Facebook, then radio button will send Facebook as a one value. Okay, similarly we will add one more choice. This choice is Google. Google API. Google choice value I want to give Google, and click on done. So what exactly we have done? We have created one screen flow. In that screen flow, what exactly we are doing? We are showing one screen to agent, and we are showing some um, radio buttons. That these are the radio buttons. You can select any radio button Whatever radio button you will send, according to that, a URL will be sent. URL and the enhanced link will be sent to customer. So now we will use some variables. I will create one variable. Okay. So my variable name is link URL. Okay. My type is text only. I'm selecting available for input. So if agent is using this screen flow, he will see screen. In that he is selecting Facebook or Google radio links. So here we are using decision element. Which one he used? So link type decision. Okay. Now it's Facebook. If Facebook checkbox is selected, then what we want to do? So first we will check the criteria. If link type is screen, in that links in means in this screen, if if agent is selecting this link, Facebook or radio button, and that value is equal to it's equal to Facebook. Other if it is Facebook, if it is Facebook, then what will happen? What we will do? We will use assignment. In assignment, we are assign value. I want to provide Facebook URL. So this is my variable name we have created, and here I am providing the Facebook URL. So okay, if it is not Facebook, then by default we are considering this is a Google. So again, I will use assignment, assign Google. Send variable, we will use Google. So this is a normal screen flow. Till now we did not do any special thing. First we are showing the screen. In that we are showing the options. Option is like we are showing some radio buttons. In the radio buttons we are showing two options. First is Facebook. Second is Google. Okay. Now from this screen, agent will select something, either Facebook or Google he will select. Okay. If he, then we are checking which checkbox is selected. Okay. So link type dot links. Link type is nothing. Our screen name and links is nothing. Those links, Facebook or Google, those radio buttons. If that value is Facebook, then he has selected the Facebook radio button. If he has selected the Facebook radio button, then we have already created one variable app underscore link URL. In that we are providing the this what we can say URL. Okay. If he is not selected Facebook, then by default we are considering he has selected Google, and we have assigned the Google URL. I will create one more field, sorry, variable app underscore link text. Data type is text. Selecting available for input. Okay. Now in assignment, we have assigned only one value. Sorry, one variable. We we have to assign text also. So I will assign Facebook. Here I will assign. So till here I did not do anything. Just normal screen flow. If you know screen flow, you can easily understand. So now we got the link URL, link text. But this link URL and link text, we have to pass to messaging component. So here we have to do one thing. We will create a new screen. Till here it was a normal screen flow. Now we are passing whatever the value we have collected for link text and link URL, we have to pass to messaging component. So our screen name is messaging component screen. Okay. Here go to little bit down here. Sorry, auto select. Okay. Here you are search enhanced message. Add this screen. Hmm. Added this screen. You can provide the name. So enhanced message as it is I am giving API name. Here it is asking in input variables, it is asking messaging session ID. So messaging session it is expecting. So first we will create messaging session ID. Go to the new resource variable, record ID. You have to use API name as a record ID only. It is case sensitive, so it should be as it is. Click on text and available for input. Click done. So we did not save, so we lost. Again, we have to add a screen. So screen image IMC screen search enhanced API name I am giving as it is enhanced only. Enhanced message. Variable I am selected record ID. You have to keep as it is record ID only. Messaging component it is asking. So messaging component name is enhanced link YouTube demo. Select that. Go little bit down. Open this. Configure custom parameters. So in custom parameters, first is text. Link text. So link text is our parameter name. From here we have different options. You want to provide then like you want to provide XYZ, a string you want to pass, or you want to take from some flow variable. I want to take from flow variable. This link text parameter name is nothing. This is the variable name we have created in our messaging component. Here you can see link text and link URL. So when we have selected our messaging component, then according to that, it is showing the parameters. Okay. Now here you can see either you can provide direct value or you can select a variable. I have selected the variable. Okay. So from which variable you want to provide the value? I want to provide the value to from app underscore. App underscore means the variable of flow and click on add. Again, I will select another parameter URL. For this one also, I want to provide the value from variable only and click on add. Here you can see link text and link URL mapping is done. Click on done. Click on save. I will mention enhanced link screen flow. Click on activate. Now what I will do? I will open any messaging component, sorry, messaging session. So app launch, search messaging session, open any messaging session. Click on edit page. So till now we have created flow, screen flow. We have taken the URLs text. We have configured those text with messaging component. Now what we have to do? We have to run this screen flow. Okay, means again need to run this screen flow. So what we will do? Click on edit page of messaging session record details page. Set here flow. Drag and drop here. Now click on this flow component. Here it is in flow. We have to select our flow name. Our flow name was enhanced link screen flow. Okay. Once I have selected this flow, immediately here you can see it is asking like we have created three variables link text, link URL, and record ID. So link text from here also you can pass, but we don't have any particular URL. On the condition message, we have different URL. So we are not passing. But record ID we have to pass. We have to select this checkbox, pass record ID into this variable. Okay. And click on save. Okay, here you can see the messaging, sorry, the flow is coming. Okay, now we will start a new chat. You will initiate a new chat. We need to accept the chat. Chat is accepted by agent. Click on messaging. Now we have to run this flow. So which URL I want to send? I want to send Google link. Click on next. Here it is asking insert message. Click on that. Here you can see add other item. Click on send. Here we have received Google and Google link. You can try. So this is the way we can, from a single messaging component, we can send multiple links. Here I have given options only for Facebook and Google only. We can add other items also, other links also we can add dynamically in flow. According to your requirement, you can do anything. Only last component is we are passing the data from our flow to messaging component. The remaining logic is our requirement logic. I have given this condition. We can make complex also. Here I have provided radio button. You can provide a drop down. You can make complex according to your requirement. Okay. So I hope it is clear. So bro, how to send dynamic URL using enhanced link from bot? Okay. Yeah, bro. We can send dynamic URL from bot also, but we need to use either Apex class or auto launched flow. If we want to send from our if agent want to send, then he need to use screen flow. He need to run the screen flow. But if you want to send from bot, then we have to go for auto launched flow. Okay. So same requirement, but now till now, whenever we have started the conversation, immediately it was going to agent. But we will first route to our bot, okay, instead of agent. So how to route to bot in yesterday's video, also in my previous video of messaging component also I have mentioned. Apart from that, a entire playlist I have created for messaging for in-app and web. How to route in details I have explained. Okay. So let's go route to YouTube demo. Click on this. Currently it is routing to queue. So directly I have opened the flow, but how the flow is launched, everything in details I have already explained in my messaging for in-app and web uh, series. So you can find the link in description. I will search YouTube demo bot and save as new version and click on activate. Now I will go to our bot. So YouTube demo bot is our bot. So I will open. I will deactivate. So here we want to provide the option with the help of bot that um, which social media links he is expecting. Okay, so here I will click. I will select static. I want to ask some question with some static options. Which social media links you you want get? So here I have provided this type of option. Maybe in your case, in your business scenario, you are asking that what is your requirement, according to that you are taking the decision. So I want to make it a little bit simple. I want to provide the choice. Choice is simple. Either Facebook, first is Facebook, second is Google. Google. Okay. Here, when someone will select something Facebook or Google, then what is the data type? It is text only. Okay. How to save the response means the variable where you want to store. So I will create a new variable, social. Okay, this is my variable name. Yeah. So this is that. Means now we are asking, a bot is asking the question to customer that which social media link you want to get. Okay. So he has two options, Facebook and Google. Okay. So I he will select Facebook or Google. We want to store in this variable social type. Okay. So till now it is clear. Now we have to provide, because he's now we have to check the condition, like if it is Facebook or it is Google, and according to that we have to prepare the link text, link URL. So we can use flow, we can use Apex class according to our requirement. So I will go for flow. I will create a new flow. Because on runtime, on condition basis, we are preparing some text and some URLs we are preparing. Just now I have showed you with the help of a screen flow. Similarly, we will do. Okay. So here select auto launch flow, not trigger. Click on create. Here I will create two variables. Sorry, single variable I will create to take the input from bot. So I will select f underscore social media type. I will select text. I will select available for input. Available for input means we are expecting the input. Okay. Click on save. Now here I will take decision. Check social media. Same we are doing each Facebook. Okay. So how we can sure it is Facebook or not? We will get what will pass in this variable social media type. So I will select. if social media type value equal to Facebook, if it is Facebook, then then we will create two more variables. First, app underscore link text, data type is text, and I will select available for output. Means we will provide this value, this field, this variable value to what? So I will select available for output. Similarly, I will create a new variable for URL, f underscore link URL. Click on text. Same available for output. Available for input means we are expecting the value, and available for output means this field will provide the value to external system. Means like in our case, bot. Okay. So if it is Facebook, then again same assignment true. Assign Facebook details. Same we will do link text and link URL. Link text is Facebook and link URL is this. I will copy and paste, and I will change Google details. I will remove this. Okay. Here I will provide Google and Google link will provide. Small issues. Okay, we will save. Our flow is ready. Flow name is enhanced link Autolaunched. Okay. Click on save. Click on activate. We have prepared the flow. Flow will provide. Flow will take the input from bot, and it will provide the URL and text. Okay. So I will refresh once so that our flow can show here. So I will go down. Here I will go down, and somewhere we will see flow. I will select flow. Flow name I will search. My flow name is enhanced link auto launched. Here, So here it is asking media type. So media type where we have stored in social type. So I will select social type. I will get output. So where I want to stop, I will create two more variable, link text. I will add in starting B so that we can understand it is from what. Similarly, we will store sorry, link URL. Link URL. So here mapping I have done wrong. So I will switch back. Link URL and link text. Now click on save. We have provided one input to flow that this is the social media type. Okay. In flow, we are checking which social media, what is the value of social media. It is Facebook or Google. If it is Facebook, then this is the link text and this is the link URL. Similarly, we have done for Google. Now, when we are getting the value, then we have created two variables, b underscore link text and linked URL. We have stored in our bot variable. Till here, it is normal flow and bot. But now we have to pass this link text, link URL to our messaging component. Okay. So here select enhanced. If you are going little bit down, we are getting enhanced link. Enhanced link YouTube demo. Here immediately we are getting two options. What is link URL and what is link text? So I will provide link URL is b underscore link URL and link text is b underscore link text and click on save. Click on activate. Just close the chat and start again. So here you can see we are getting the option from bot. YouTube demo bot joined. I am YouTube a demo bot, a digital assistant. Which social media links you want? I will select Facebook. Unfortunately, a system error occurred. Let us start again. Okay. So this issue is coming. Then there are only two options. It can be multiple options, but my bot is very simple. So I'm getting some error in my bot. If I'm going down, then here you can see some exception is coming that running user does not have the required access to run the flow. Okay, so in that case, what I will do? Normally, Salesforce is suggesting that you create a user for bot. Okay, so by default, it is selecting basic chat bot user. So I will select custom and I will use my username. If you have created specific for bot user, then you should select that one only. Also, make sure I'm using external site. So this external site URL is available in your remote site setting. If not available, then also here you will see same error. But if you are going to bot and after that you are checking here, then error will be something else like log sensitive information, something error you will get. So I will activate again. I will close and reinitiate. Body joined. I have selected Facebook and congratulations. I got the link of Facebook. I did not provide the image. Otherwise, we can use content version and after that we can use. So in means with the help of flow, we can provide some content version ID in our variable. We can create variable. I already explained. We can create a variable here and we can select the type which image ID. Make sure type should be image ID. Okay. So I hope it is clear. I have tried my best to explain you entire details of enhanced link messaging component. Okay. So thank you. Please like, comment and share our videos and please subscribe our channel Salesforce Dream and press the bell icon for new videos notifications. Thank you.